Jack Luttrell, 4-star athlete, committed to Tennessee from Georgia, South Georgia, 229. I play with Say Less for Domo. Yeah, shout out Baller Tribe. Always got us right, you know. You know, it's a secret right here. You gotta take the gloves off, put the hand warmers in, and then put them back on. Now you got extra padding and the gloves, and you stay warm. It's light. Now we finna stay warm all day. It's like that easy. It's a great day. I'm gonna go play some football. Really? Nobody knows I.
Y'all ain't know that.
Nobody knows I play soccer. I'm really valid on the soccer field too, but nobody knows that.
That being said, soccer? You play soccer?
My mom played college soccer. My dad played college football, but I had to stick to football. Ooh. I really don't see anybody beating us today. On some real stuff, like we played awful yesterday, but today it's game time. Hey, shout out Colquitt County High School.
Oh,
we put on for them. Oh yeah, no. All three of us from the same high school. We really do it. My legs are starting to get warm. I got sweatpants today.
Go. Go.
It's tiring.
Go.
Damn. So go. I need a beat. Start freestyle. Might do it. Yeah. Yeah. My name is Jack. I am not black. I can't rap. But I'm on the beat. I'm going fast. Hey. Out of there. Who got bigger muscles? Oh yeah, that's me. That's me. We know who the strongest one in the workout group is. Hey, next celebration when I make a play, I'm gonna go Spider-Man. I'm gonna let you go outside. I'm gonna hit the gritty and then Spider-Man on one side like this. Hey. We got cover 3.
Alright.
If we're on weak side, we got cover 3. If we're strong side, we got cover 2. We got cover 3. Come here, corner. Nah, how you drop that? But excuses. He really just dropped it. Oh, he's coming in. Come in. Hill. Told you. Come here, now. Come here. Hey, when we go to practice and I'm in pads, I might just hit you.
I see that shit. Might hit you with a move.
I have a 35-inch vert and a 4.46 40. The best part is just how smart I am. Like, I tell you a receiver's route before you even start the route. So it just gives me advantage when I'm playing. Because to be honest, there's people more athletic than me. But when I know the route they're finna run and I can see it, I end up beating them on the route. So I say that's the best part.
No, they busting, they busting.
Gotta adjust the sunglasses, get straight. Yeah. Really? Watch this, D. D? You talking?
No, that wasn't me.
No, that wasn't me. I'm really finna do you. Come guard me.
Jacqueline. Jacqueline.
D's nut, right? They call him D. Short for D nut, right? You back here? All right, don't get beat. If you get beat, I'm finna call Coach Calhoun. You heard, you know, Coy. Well, tell them focus on school. They brought 2 teams.
Stop.
Sure. Might play your boy. He played DB or
DB,
he
corner.
gonna lock you up.
Nobody's locking me up today. Uh-oh. Ah! It's not the glasses, it's the ball, fam. I'm not 6'9". I really shook him. You just got to put the ball on me.
Yeah, no, I was just testing your limits.
All right.
Jalen Ramsey, Cooper Cup in practice right here.
We got Eli Apple.
You see that, right? You see that, right?
D, you scared, man? Ah, you baby. Ah, that was funny. Yeah. I promise you, as soon as I get a pick, hit that front flip. Oh, come on! And they gotta get right here, Chuck. Hey, money right here. Money right here, boy. Let go. Number 5 looked like a nose guard. Oh, yes. Hey! Instinct 2, what? Let's go! How much time he got? But I was gonna say, I didn't count it to 10. I was like, that bitch took 20 seconds to throw the ball. That's crazy. He sat back there 10 seconds. I was like, I gotta be done guarding this, man. The ball wasn't even in the air that long. I was like, there's gotta be time. Over here. Get up! Yeah! Corner ball, corner ball, corner ball. Yeah! This is really what we do. Like, stop talking. Say less. We on that. Oh yeah. Out. Hey, who was it that got up like that? Me, but you got up, you said, come on. Make a move, make a move. Oh, you too low. Oh, you grabbed for nothing. Yeah. Well, you can, hey, now look, ready? I'm finna, hey, 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 hey. All right, let's turn up now. I'm feeling the pick. No. We got 3. Hey, Clay, you got a couple 3 over there. Yeah, I got you. Ooh. Time! Yeah! I really want him to throw it. I'm like baiting it at, boy. Oh yeah, post. Yeah. We scored 2 times.
5, we got about that because the safety's going like this.
Oh, 23, he's gonna be behind me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Tyler. Looking like I still do fraud. This is easy. Looking like I still do fraud. Right here. Hey. Hey, let's go black. Black. No, black. Oh, he dropped it. Ah, we gone. Hey, coach, you got me on O? Oh yeah, he's out. Come here. But I gotta guard two people. I gotta guard him, man. Hey, we get a pick. I'm finna do this shit. Come hit me. Oh yeah. Hey, watch that run. Oh yeah. Hey! You want the third? Oh, yeah. Oh, damn.
You're doing it different in 523.
I don't do nothing different.
So you still sitting back there?
Yes.
I'm straight then. So I've been trying to worry about the back.
No. You got underneath us. We got deep. You got.
When that bird.
I know. I be. This guy's the quarterback. I have to play.
As soon as he throws it, then we move.
Yeah,
but we gotta let him throw it so we can go make a play. Hey, watch that run. Ooh, him. Ah! Oh!
D, let's go, D.
D not
Throw it up. Got him. In. Oh, no. Throw it. Go down. Well, get the white boys off the field. Hey, he's good. Don't make fun of Mark. That boy. Hey, that's Will, not Mark. Put the cameras on him. He can't guard me. Got him. Put the cameras on him. Oh shit! What? Should have caught that. All right. That's funny, man. It's say less. That's what we do.